Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Python project. And this is the fastest way to create a Python project. Earlier, I have created another video that is how to run a Python application. You can check out run Python app on Ubuntu WSL. But here in this video, I will show you the fastest and best way to create Python project. That is, it is a what is UV? That is the UV. UV is a Python package and project manager. Okay. Fastest way to create a Python project, that is the UV. By using UV, you can create Python project very easily, and you can run the Python application in a better way. I will show you to create a Python project. In this video, I am using Ubuntu WSL. Just let me open the Ubuntu WSL. Just click on CMD. If you want to know how to create a Ubuntu WSL machine, I have created a video that is Ubuntu WSL. Okay, this video. You can check out this video. Okay, Linux on Windows. For this demo purpose, I am using Ubuntu WSL. Just click on command prompt and down arrow key and click on Ubuntu. This is my Ubuntu machine. Okay, please wait a little bit. Create a Python project. First, you need to install the UV. What is UV? UV is a Python package and project manager. You can go to this site. This is the UV. Okay, UV is a Python package manager. To install the Python UV on your machine, according to your machine, if your machine is macOS or Linux, use this command. And if your machine is Windows, use this command. Okay, as my machine is Ubuntu WSL, that's why I am using this command. Copy. Okay, first install the UV. UV is a Python and project manager. Go to this section and hit enter. It will install the UV. Okay, it is downloading UV on your machine. Okay, it is done. UV is very fast. It is written in Rust. Okay, it is written in Rust. Okay, UV installation is done. To create a Python, create your first hello world program in Python, just go to this is the UV is installation done. To create, okay, just create your first hello world Python program. To create your first hello world Python program, just first create a directory, mkdir, simple name, any name you can give. In my here simple app, and hit enter. Go inside the directory cd and hit enter. You can open this directory into the VS Code. Just use code space and dot and hit enter. It will open the directory in VS Code. Okay, yes, this control backtick, open the terminal. Here just okay, first here you should write to initialize the Python application. First, to initialize the Python project, you should use this command. Here I have a GitHub repository. Just go to my GitHub repository. Okay, then go to this section, and here you can see all the commands available. Okay, to initialize the Python project, here you just use this command uv init, init. Okay, uv init, and hit enter. Here you can see there is no files and folders, and after executing this command uv init, hit enter. It initialize all the a Python project. Okay, it initializes the Python project. Here, one file dot git ignore. I will show you later. Main.py file. Okay, and it will show you the Python extension you can install according to your need. It is recommended to install the Python extension in VS Code. Okay, in my case it is closed. Okay, Python project is initialized. Okay, to create Python is installed or not. To install the Python using UV, install Python. Install Python using UV. Okay, how to install the Python into your machine using the UV? Just go to the site and installing Python. Just use this command UV Python install. Copy this, go to the Ubuntu WSL and hit enter. It will install the Python into your machine and it is fast. Your Python installation is done. Okay, you can check the Python version Python 3-v and can see the Python is installed successfully. Okay, let's go to the Python project in VS Code. Here Python project is initialized by using uv init command. Okay, how to run this Python application? To run this Python application, just use this command uv run and this Python file main.py and hit enter. Okay, you can see hello from simple Python. Okay, this is the okay. Here now I am going to show how to create a virtual environment using UV. Virtual environment using UV. Okay, to create a virtual environment using UV, just go to this UV venv, this command, and you can see it is automatically create a virtual environment when you run this application. That's why UV is the best way and fastest way to create a Python project. Okay, it is already created venv. You can see this is the venv file. To activate this, if you do not run this venv, just first use create uv venv command. Copy, go to the Python project, paste and hit enter. It is already created. And to activate the virtual environment in Python project, just use this command. Copy and go to this section and hit enter. You can see the simple app is written here. That means your virtual environment is activated. Okay. Here I will show you how to run another. This is the I want to create a simple application using Python. For this, I have a simple application. To write a simple Python program, just use this repo. This is my repo, and I have written a simple Python application, that is copy this command and paste it here. Control V. Here I am using a simple Python application by using Flux. Flux is a Python library. Okay, I am using Flux. Okay, this is a simple Python application I have written in the file main.py. Okay, and port I have used, that is 8181. You can use another port also. Okay, I can use it 85 or 85. Okay, Control S, save it, and you can create another file, that is requirements.txt. Okay, sorry, here requirement.txt. requirements.txt. Here you can mention the Flux. Control C and Control V. Control S. Requirements.txt. Okay. To run this application, first install the dependencies mentioned in the requirements.txt file. Okay. To run this, just use command uv run. Just use uv run -r. This the command. Uv add. Okay, this command. and hit enter. uv add -r requirement.txt and hit enter. It is installed the flags in your machine in this virtual environment. Okay, control L, clear the screen. Then you should run the application. To run the application, just use this command uv run main.py, or here in this case main. Okay, uv run main.py and hit enter. Okay, it is running. Python application is running, and it is running in this localhost 8585. And you can see this is the open in browser. You can see the application. Click it here, and you can see fast code on Python flags. It message shows. That means your Python application is running successfully. Here you can use this slash hello, and it shows the message the hello word, because I have written a hello API and ping message. It shows the pong. Check it. Go to the browser, and here you can ping and hit enter. It shows the message pong. That means your Python application is running successfully. To stop the application, just use Control C. It is stopped. Okay, in this way you can run the Python application by using uv. Uv is the Python package and project manager. It is best to create a Python project for AI/ML. Okay, but best way to create a Python project using uv. Okay, to deactivate the virtual environment, Python virtual environment, just use the deactivate, DACTIVATE, and hit enter. It deactivate the Python virtual environment. Okay, this is the best way and fastest way to create a Python project using uv. Okay, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and you can use this. You can also watch this tutorial, that is the run Python app in Ubuntu WSL. Okay, and you can also watch the video how to install the WSL on your Windows machine. Okay, and you can follow the GitHub repository. This is my GitHub repo. You can follow this repo. Okay, all the comments mentioned in this repository. Okay, thank you.